Ever heard of YNAB? You know, that budgeting app everyone's raving about? But before you ditch your spreadsheets and dive headfirst into their world, let's tackle a burning question. Is YNAB actually safe to use? We're diving deep into security, privacy, and all those nitty-gritty details to help you decide if it's the right fit for your financial life. Now, YNAB, or You Need a Budget, isn't just another budgeting app. It's built around a unique philosophy, giving every dollar a job. This means you're not just tracking your spending, you're actively assigning each dollar to a specific purpose. Sounds amazing, right? But what about your data? Is it safe in YNAB's hands? Let's talk security. YNAB utilizes robust encryption to protect your financial data both in transit and at rest. This means your sensitive information like bank account numbers and transaction history is heavily guarded. They also employ industry-standard security protocols to prevent unauthorized access and data breaches. But that's not all. YNAB has a dedicated security team constantly monitoring for threats and implementing the latest security patches. This proactive approach ensures your data remains protected from evolving cyber threats. Now, let's address privacy. YNAB has a clear privacy policy outlining how they collect, use, and share your data. They're transparent about the information they gather, such as your budgeting habits and spending patterns. But here's the key: YNAB does not sell your data to third parties. This means your personal financial information remains confidential and is not used for targeted advertising. YNAB also gives you control over your data. You can easily export your data at any time and choose to delete your account whenever you like. This ensures you always have ownership and control over your financial information. While YNAB has a strong security track record, it's important to acknowledge that no system is completely immune to data breaches. However, YNAB has a proven history of quickly addressing any potential security issues. They prioritize user safety and work diligently to rectify any problems that may arise. It's worth noting that while YNAB itself may not have experienced major data breaches, it's crucial to remember that your bank accounts and financial institutions are also part of the equation. Always practice good online hygiene and be vigilant about any suspicious activity related to your accounts. Let's hear from the users. Many YNAB users praise the app's security and privacy features. They appreciate the company's commitment to protecting their financial information. However, it's always a good idea to do your own research and read user reviews to get a well-rounded perspective. While YNAB is a popular choice, it's not the only budgeting app out there. Explore alternatives like Mint, Personal Capital, and Budget by Google to compare their security features and privacy policies. This will help you make an informed decision that best suits your needs and risk tolerance. So, is YNAB safe to use? Based on their robust security measures, transparent privacy policy, and positive user feedback, I believe YNAB is a safe and reliable option for budgeting. However, it's crucial to practice good online security habits and stay informed about any potential threats. Remember to always review the privacy policy and terms of service before using any financial app. This will help you understand how your data is handled and make informed decisions about your online security. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.